Alice. AI Automation App is one of the most exciting new releases in the AI software space. And today we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing tool. If you're looking for something that can automate tasks, improve efficiency, and help you stay ahead of the competition, stick around, because this app could be exactly what you've been searching for. First off, Alice is designed to simplify your workflow by using AI to automate repetitive tasks. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or part of a larger team, you'll find that Alice can take care of the tedious stuff so you can focus on what matters. From email automation to social media posting, it's got it all. The best part? You can try it completely free by clicking the link in the description below. Now let's talk about the AI's capabilities. Unlike many other automation tools, Alice isn't just a one-trick pony. It uses sophisticated algorithms that adapt to your needs, ensuring that every task it takes over is done accurately and on time. This flexibility is what makes it stand out among other tools. It's not rigid, but rather designed to fit into your existing processes seamlessly. Another key feature is its ability to integrate with popular platforms like Google Analytics, Salesforce, and more. This means you can keep all your tools in one place, streamlining operations and eliminating the need to juggle multiple apps. If you've ever struggled with syncing data between different software, Alice has you covered. What about scalability? Whether you're a small business or part of a growing enterprise, Alice is built to scale with you. The software doesn't just work for large companies, it's optimized to help small businesses get a leg up on their competition too. So, no matter your size, you'll get the most out of it. Plus, it's highly customizable, so you can adapt it to suit your specific needs. Another big win for Alice is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Alice's setup process is straightforward, and its dashboard is intuitive. You'll be able to get up and running in no time, even if you've never used AI automation before. Now, one of the most impressive aspects of Alice is its ability to learn from your actions. The more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what you need, making your workflow even more efficient. This learning ability is crucial for anyone serious about automating their business or tasks. Finally, Alice comes with fantastic customer support. As AI becomes more complex, you'll need a team that's there for you when you need help. Alice's support team is responsive, and they've made it clear that user satisfaction is a top priority. So, to wrap things up, Alice, AI Automation App is a powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their tasks and boost productivity. Whether you're new to AI automation or an experienced pro, it's worth checking out. And don't forget, you can try it for free by clicking the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say Alice stands out as one of the best options available. For more recommendations on the best AI software, check the links in the description. I've put together a list of tools you can try for free, all tested for performance and ease of use.